Okay, so again, think about it this way. Again, this is the identity matrix times this, so it's going to just copy over, in this case, it's going to copy over the rows. So this is going to copy row 1 into row 1 of the product. So it's going to copy row 1 into row 1 of the product. This is going to copy row 2 into row 2 of the product. So this row 2. This is going to take row 3 and copy it into the product, the row 3 of the product. Okay, it's on the left-hand side. So remember, this is affecting rows. Okay, again, you could multiply this by each one of these columns, right? So you take each column of here, multiplied by this matrix, based on the previous lemma. Okay, so let's work it out. Okay, so you'll notice that again, if we do it by just brute mechanics, it works. Because this is going to copy this, right? So what's going to happen? It's going to be 2, 0, 0, right? Because these are, so it's going to be 2, 0, 0, 2. The next one, this is just going to be zeros, right? So this is just, if we go here, you get 2, right? 2, 0, 0. And then if we do the next one, it's going to be 3, 0, 0. And so we'll get 3 here. And then the next one's going to be 6, 0, 0. So it's just going to be 6. So it's just copying over the first row into the first row. Now we go to the next row. What's this row going to do? It's just going to copy this row into the second row here. So watch. It's going to be 0, 1, 0. And we're going to get what? 1. And the next one's going to be 0, 3, 0. So we're going to get 3. And the next one's going to be 0, 8, 0. So it's just copying over. The same thing here. The 1 is here, so it's going to copy this row into this row. And that's it. Now also, as you can see here, if we do it this way, without doing it, if I do 3, 6, 2, 3, 6, 1, 3, 8, negative 7, 1, 0. And let's do it on this side. 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. Well, what's going to happen on this side? Well, now it's columns, right? So what is this going to do? This one is going to copy this column into the first column of the result. Let's watch what happens. Let's do it. So 2, 0, 0. Boom. Right? So it's going to be 1, 0, 0. Right? So if we go to the second row, first column, it's going to be 1, 0, 0. So 1's going to go there. If we go to the third row, right, it's going to be negative 7, 0, 0. So we're going to get a negative 7 there. Okay? So when it's on the right-hand side, we're copying over the column. So this is going to copy the first column into the first column here. This one is going to copy this column, the second column, into the second column of the product, and so on. So you can see that when it's on the left or the right-hand side, it's going to do the exact same thing.